Sports on Air.
Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by the best player of the game in Orlando, and Coach Luigi Pedro. Coach, Phoenix was growing their way back in the last 3 minutes of the game. How was the team able to remain composed and collected in order to get out of the game?
That team has no quit in them, and we're both down in the team standings right now. So every game's important. We know both teams are back against the wall. Something's gonna give. You lose one, they're probably out for the red, right? So it's hard to knock out a team like Phoenix. They have injuries all around. You look at Theo not there. You have some guys out there. Obviously, they're the best import. So different team, but you saw that they were sharp today in terms of the way they played. And I think it's also their flow. They got several games this week, so 3 games. More games to sharp. We're coming off 2 weeks break, so we're feeling that first game, and then now we seem like a little bit sharper.
Coach, nasabi mo na every game is crucial. Now looking at your next 2 games, your last 2 games rather, it's against SMB and Magnolia. How are you looking at preparing for these games?
Yeah, well, both games you have to win if you want to enter the top 6. Obviously, we know. Alam naman natin, if we get into the top 6, I think it's a best of 3. And it's there for us. It's not going to be easy. We have Magnolia. Alam natin wala yung halalon. So we got 1 day to prepare. But I like sometimes we have games not too far apart because you have your flow. So celebrate today, and then tomorrow hopefully we'll have a game plan for them.
Aaron, I'll go to you. The last 2 games, you've been playing really well. What has sparked your game?
Well, credit to my teammates. They found me, especially these last 2 games. They found me, especially my threes. So I've been shooting a lot better, especially with CP and Newman finding me in that first group. So credit to them. Our team has been in a little bit of a funk. We've lost some games. I think all of our losses have been close. So it's nice to get a close game win today.
Just to follow up on that, how big of an impact is getting this win today for the team mentally, emotionally, and preparing for the next 2 games?
Well, yung hope namin na to stay in the playoffs and then balik, syempre. I think kung natalo kami today, we would have not been able to make the playoffs anymore. So thankfully we have that chance, and we have to make the most out of that chance moving forward.
You're now opening the floor to the media if they have any questions.
Also, congratulations. This week you're now in 8th place of standings. 8th place. But coaching the last second race, what happened?
Yeah, I was trying to look to the replay to Sim and Moko, and their knees got entangled. So Moko was moving forward. He kind of knew from the back of his knee. It was too quick a play. So you had last seconds of the game, so I want to see the game. It's a switch. He was inside, Moko was behind. His knee hit, moved from behind. So, but Nu felt something. So we have to have it checked first. Obviously, he limped down. So hopefully.